Attorney Tommie Harsley throws light on the aspect of extended car warranties. Several types of warranties are available, so it's in your best interest to do some thorough research before deciding. Like insurance, extended car warranties protect you against unforeseen repair costs that might come up. Some cars come with factory warranties that expire on reaching a specific term. When this happens, aftermarket extended auto warranties go into effect. These add-on products can be pricey, but coverage amount and length can put a check on their cost. Buying an add-on product of these kinds gives extra peace of mind as it allows you to have your car repaired at fixed rates throughout the time you own the vehicle instead of paying the total price for repairs out of pocket when needed. What comes under an extended car warranty? Attorney Tommie Harsley informs some extended warranties run the gamut of coverage levels, from comprehensive, meaning they cover everything, to those that only cover a component such as an engine or transmission. Some contractors offer different price points to fit your budget, while others provide varying coverage amounts on a sliding scale. You get more coverage per dollar. Some policies cover routine maintenance, such as changing your oil, but not everyone offers this. As against your car's basic warranty provided by the automaker, extended warranties and service contracts typically require a deductible, USD $250, for example, that you may need to pay during the repairing work. What are the options in the extended car warranty? There are three main types of extended car warranties: powertrain, bumper-to-bumper, and stated component. Powertrain coverage applies to mechanical parts, including engine and transmission, not auxiliary systems like air conditioners or navigators. A bumper-to-bumper policy is the most comprehensive since it typically offers the coverage you would receive with a factory warranty. Some refer to it as an exclusionary policy because it also mentions the components not covered under it. Attorney Tommie Harsley says a stated component extended warranty can be good for the specific features listed in the contract, so spend time to read through the list of included parts/items carefully. If it takes care of common issues with your vehicle, you can invest in it. The most notable benefit of this type of coverage is the extra protection you get against costly car repairs. If a significant system fails, replacements can cost thousands of dollars. With an extended car warranty, you can easily manage those repair and replacement expenses, adds Pastor Tommie Harsley. The costs of restoring or repairing cars and their parts have risen. Technology has advanced vehicles a lot over the old-fashioned models, but these newer systems are often expensive and time-consuming for repair shops to fix. Unlike the old days when repair shops would try to correct specific malfunctioning parts, today it's more common to buy replacement modules. As a result, automobile maintenance is getting pricier than ever before. If you have extended warranties, you can at least take satisfaction in having your vehicle covered against major repair and replacement costs. It matters more when you plan to use your car for a long time. Thanks for watching.